Good morning, children. Are you ready to learn English now? Yes. Yesterday we saw a cartoon in your first page. Actually, did you understand what is the meaning of that cartoon? I will explain it in Malayalam one more time. You listen please. അതായത് 1896 ലൂമിയർ ബ്രദേഴ്സ് സംവിധാനം നിർവഹിച്ച ആദ്യത്തെ ചലിക്കുന്ന ചിത്രം എന്ന് പറയുന്ന സിനിമ കണ്ടപ്പോൾ അത് കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരുന്ന വ്യൂവേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അത് കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരുന്ന കാഴ്ചക്കാർക്കുണ്ടായ പ്രതികരണമാണ് ആ കാർട്ടൂണിൽ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ ആ കാർട്ടൂണിൽ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു ട്രെയിൻ ഓടി പാഞ്ഞു വരുന്നതായിട്ടാണ് കാണുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരുന്ന വ്യൂവേഴ്സ് ആദ്യമായി ഈ ചലിക്കുന്ന ചിത്രം കണ്ടപ്പോൾ അവർ വിചാരിച്ചു ഈ ട്രെയിൻ ഈ തിയേറ്ററിനുള്ളിലേക്ക് കയറി വന്ന് അവരുടെ ദേഹത്തുകൂടി കയറി അവർ ആക്സിഡൻറ്റിലാവുമെന്ന് കരുതി ആ പ്രേക്ഷകരെല്ലാവരും കൂടി ഇറങ്ങി ഓടുന്ന ഒരു കാർട്ടൂണാണ് നമ്മുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൻ്റെ ആദ്യത്തെ പേജിൽ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതായത് ആദ്യകാലങ്ങളിൽ ഈ ചലിക്കുന്ന ചിത്രമോ സിനിമയോ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ടെലിവിഷനോ സ്മാർട്ട് ഫോണുകളോ ഒന്നുമില്ലാതിരുന്ന ഒരു കാലത്ത് നടന്ന ഒരു സംഭവം ഇവിടെ ഒരു കാർട്ടൂണിലൂടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണിച്ചു തരികയാണ് ചെയ്തത്. Then I will take the first lesson of your first unit. The name of the lesson is The Island. I will read the lesson one time, then you listen very carefully, and I will take afterwards the lesson paragraph wise. Then I take your textbook, please children, page number 8. Lesson 1, The Island. We have mobile phones, laptops, smart boards, and many other gadgets today which make our life easy and comfortable. But there was a time when people didn't have any of these. The African folktale you are about to read describes a humorous incident that happened at a time when people hadn't even heard of many of the things that we use now. Listen children, you read it one time silently the paragraph. Then I will explain. Lesson 1, The Island. We have mobile phones, laptops, smart boards, and many other gadgets today which make our life easy and comfortable. We know very well that nowadays we have smartphones, laptops, and many other gadgets. Gadgets means small mechanical device for what to make our life easy and comfortable. All these mechanical devices make our life easy and comfortable. But there was a time when people didn't have any of this. We know very well that many years before, the people did not have any of these luxurious things. The African folktale you are about to read describes a humorous incident that happened at a time when people hadn't even heard of many of the things that we use now. The African folktale given in your textbook gives a humorous incident. Humorous means funny and entertaining incident, an event that happened at a time when people did not have any of these modern mechanical devices. Folktale means Nadodi Kada. African folktale means Nadodi Kada. Humorous means funny and entertaining. Incident and event. I will give the meaning afterwards. Then come to the first paragraph of the lesson. Listen carefully. I will read first paragraph of the lesson. Long, long ago, a fisherman and his wife lived on an island. It was a lonely island. The people of the island led a quiet and simple life. They had no electricity, no phone, no television, no newspaper. They had no hairbrush, no mirrors either. Children, you read the paragraph silently one time. Yes, listen. I will explain the first paragraph. The island. Long, long ago, a fisherman and his wife lived on an island. In this lesson, we can see two main characters, a fisherman and his wife. Where did they live? They lived on an island. Where did they live? They lived on an island. It was a lonely island. What type of island was that? That island was very lonely island. Lonely island means the place where only few people ever come or visit. ഏകാന്തമായ ഐലൻഡ്, അധികം ആൾക്കാരൊന്നും സന്ദർശിക്കാൻ വരാത്ത ഒരു ഐലൻഡായിരുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് അതിന് ലോൺലി ഐലൻഡ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്. The people of the island led a quiet and simple life. What type of life they led? They led a simple and quiet life. Quiet means calm. Simple life they led. They had no electricity, no phone, no television, no newspaper. That we already saw that many years before. There was no electricity, no phone, no newspaper. These islanders did not have electricity, phone, television or newspaper. They had no hairbrush, no mirrors either. At least they did not have any hairbrush or mirrors. Children, you read the paragraph one more time and understand the meaning. Then I will ask some of the questions. Finish, children. First question. Is the island a place like yours? How is it different? Is the island a place like yours? No, the island is not a place like ours. That the islanders did not have any phone, or they did not have electricity, television or newspaper. Then underline the difficult words and write down the difficult words back side of your notebook. Take one notebook, 200 ruled book for English, and write down the homework last page of your notebook. You can write like this, one word in one line. Means write 3 or 4 times one word and study the spelling. Tomorrow read the lesson also 2 or 3 times and study spelling and by heart the spelling of difficult words. And I will take the next paragraph tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.